Hi, it's Magdalena from Email Octopus, and today I'll show you how to segment your list based on engagement. Once you've sent a campaign to your list, you'll gain access to the segmentation based on subscribers' activity. You can use it to target specific contacts based on the action they took when they received your campaign. For example, opened, clicked, etc. To start, go to your list, click Segments, then Create a Segment. As a filter, choose Campaign Activity, and here you'll see all the operators you can use. Use Was Sent to create a segment of contacts who previously received your campaign or campaigns. You can then choose a specific option here. Pick Was Not Sent to target contacts who you haven't sent any campaigns or have not received a specific campaign. Opened and Did Not Open will allow you to segment based on whether a contact previously opened your campaigns. And finally, Clicked and Did Not Click will filter out those who clicked or didn't click any links within your previous campaigns. Now choose the value for your segment. You can pick any of the last 5 campaigns if you want to create a segment of those who interacted with at least one of the last 5 campaigns you sent. If you want to include only the contacts who interacted with all of the last 5 campaigns you've sent, pick the second option. You can also create a segment based on a time frame rather than the number of campaigns. Choose one of these values to create a segment of contacts who opened at least one campaign in the last 7, 30 or 90 days. Finally, you can also choose a specific campaign. Just pick the one you want to base your segment on here. You can also change this value to any or none. If, for example, you want to create a segment of contacts who never interacted with any of your campaigns. Once you've created the segment you need, add a name and save it. I'll call this one Non-Openers. Then you can send a campaign to that segment. To do it, set up a campaign and pick that segment here. If, for example, you created a segment of contacts who didn't open any of the last 5 campaigns, you can send them a reactivation campaign to clean your list of inactive contacts. Once the campaign has been sent, you'll be able to see its performance in the campaign report. And that's it! Go ahead and try segmenting your list based on engagement, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching and see you next time!